Blessed day, beloved. Blessed day, wherever you are. Thank you very much for watching. Is your humble servant, Molopwe, spiritualist, Kyungu Katapena, known as the spiritualist master. I'm coming today in your phone, in your home, on your computer, on your TV, to talk to you because I receive a lot of questions. And amongst those questions, everyone is asking, or the majority of many people are asking about money. In my previous teaching on YouTube and Facebook, I have taught people that miracle money doesn't exist. It's a deception. If somebody come and say they're going to put money in your bank account, it's a shame, it's a deception. If you watch my video on miracle money, truth or spirituality shame, you're going to learn about it. But even though I keep on teaching, people keep on coming with the same request, which I give the same answer, I don't do that. And I explain that is a shame. People have lost a lot, and under these circumstances, it's very wise that we discover the truth. Today, I want to teach you how a spiritual person, how an enlightened person needs to look at the world in order for them to be successful. So I'm going to give you certain guidelines that I've compiled, and I've also been practicing them and see the positive result. So I'm sharing these ideas with you. I'm sharing this with you to empower you and enable you to be free financially in applying your spirituality. The first principle is, I am the source of all wealth. You need to be able to identify yourself as a source of wealth. You need to be able to understand that whatever you're looking outside you is within you. The money that you want in your bank account, you can make it and put it there. You are surprised. It doesn't matter you don't have food now. It doesn't matter you're owing your rent. Take conscience. Stop panic. Remove the fear. Tell yourself, I am the source of all wealth. Tell yourself that I am rich with creative idea. I don't know your idea, I don't have them. Yes, you are unique. Those are your ideas and we need them. Even me, who's busy sharing this with you, I need also idea because we are creative. You are rich and creative. Sorry. It doesn't matter your level of education. It doesn't matter your race. It doesn't matter your social class. I don't care about what you've been told before this moment. I really don't care. Because what I'm bringing to you is the message of light. I'm saying you are the source of all wealth. You are creative. You are rich and creative. Your mind abound with new, original, inspired thought. You are rejuvenating every single day. Your mind keep on getting new ideas. Maybe some people, they are telling you, you think too much, you got too much project, but they don't understand your spiritual mission. These people, they don't fit in your spiritual identity and agenda. They want you to be like them, but you know very true that you're not them. You are not them. You are you. That's why it's not working. You don't become somebody you're not. It will be a fake you. It won't work. So push those ideas of you. The one that everyone is doubting around you. Push them forward. All the greatest people in this world, when they come with their ideas, the idea will contested first. At the end, we apply them. All the great, intelligent people, philosophers, whatever they brought in this world, face challenges. So you are not going to be the first one. Remove that fear and take conscience as a enlightened person, as a spiritual person, as somebody who's aspiring to prosperity and success. Apply this. What I have to offer is unique and the world desires it. What you are offering is unique. We don't have it. We want it. We are desiring what you have in you. What is inside you? That we desire. And that one gonna lighten you. That one gonna expose you. That one gonna bring you to the world. That one gonna give you the life you want. Take the step. Build the courage. Go forward. Move forward. Build the confidence in you. Remove the fear. Remove the doubt. Tell yourself, qu'advienne que pourra. Whatever to come, let it be. I'm going for this. Go for a kill in your confidence. Go for your kill in your profile. Go for your kill in your confidence. Go for your kill in your success. My value is beyond reckoning. What the world needs and desire, I'm ready to produce and give. We want your brand. We want your creativity. We want your imagination. Stop being dependent. Stop thinking that somebody else needs to help you. Stop thinking that because you don't have paper money, because you don't have that currency in your hand, because you don't have it in your bank account, you become useless. You're not born with it. You find it here. You're not the maker of it. You always get it and it's gone. So why are you stressing about piece of paper? Why are you stressing about numbers? Where is human who are making them? What make others making them, you not? Your ignorance. The difference between a rich and a poor is their mind. The poor person believes they are poor. The rich one believes they are rich. Human are the one who make money. Money is a made man thing. It's the human who are making money. Money does not make human. So I want you to wake up. I want you to be able to understand that you have no excuse to sit down and cry and tell me, Master, I don't know what to do, because there's always something that can be done. Your hand can produce. This ground will produce. Your yard can produce. You are saying you are jobless, you got your big yard, you don't even farm vegetable that you can sell to the community to consume, that you can supply to your local market, your local shop to buy. Did spirit need to come and dig the land for you? No. Wake up. What you have and what we need and desire, you are able to give us, you are able to produce it. So why are you crying? You are busy looking only for job. When in your community, people, they want magwenya that you can cook in your house and sell. You are busy looking for big business still. When in your community, there are services that are being needed, which you know. You are busy looking for a job when you are a skilled man. You might be a mechanic, you might be a plumber, an electrician, but you have a company to employ you, but you cannot market yourself. No. Wake up. The first thing is your conception. How do you look at yourself? How do you look at the world around you? How do you perceive success? How do you define it? How do you associate yourself with it? You cannot be talking about success this side, and this side you are talking about negativity and failure. I want us to wake up. I want us to be conscious. I want us to take steps. I want us to own our life. The bounty of my mind is without hindrance or limit. No one can limit your mind. You can't limit mine, I can't limit yours. Our minds think and go very far. So what is taking you? Why are you worrying about what others are saying? Why are you worried about others' approval? Spit out what is in you. The enlightened one, they will get it. 1,000 they can refuse, one will accept. And that one with you, you're going to change this world. It doesn't matter how many times you have fallen. Rebuild the confidence. That same courage that you had, or the first time when you were facing life, that determination that you were having in order for you to succeed, that energy you used to acquire whatever you had, revive it. Let it wake up. The awakener have come to awaken you. I'm awakening you to stop sleeping. Wake up. Take steps. Start working. Nothing can stand in the way of my inspired creativeness. There's no obstacle. Nothing will stand. Once you become enlightened, once you understand who you are, once you define yourself spiritually, and once you commit and engage yourself in a spiritual journey, nothing will stand your way, regardless of the challenge, regardless of the temptation. Nothing gonna stand your way because you are able to move. Spirituality is not religion. I'm not giving you rules. I'm not giving you dogmas. I'm giving you principles to apply. This is a free world. You define your own spirituality, but I'm giving you the guideline. You need to tell yourself that nothing can stand in your way, in your creativity, in your production, regardless of who's gagging against you. Get the knowledge today to know how to fight them and overcome them. The overflowing power of the creator life energy overcome every obstacle and pour out into the world, blessing and prospering everyone and everything to me. Become the channel of blessings of others. Understand that you are the temple of the gods, starting by the creator who pours power into you, who anoints you, empower you to bring the message to the others, and them to be blessed through you. You are getting this knowledge, share it. You listen to this video, invite others to get the same knowledge. Do your step. People are used to go always asking, but they don't take steps. Take steps bring many people into light, because if we are many in the light, the less people will be suffering. We don't need to be giving each other money. We just need to learn how to apply the principles and apply them. But we can only apply the principle if we identify ourselves. That's why today I come with this financial identification. You need to know what the world needs and desire by your creativity. Do not doubt your mind. Regardless of what comes in your mind to do it. When you're going to bring it, you're going to discover that many people will need this, we need these things, but they didn't know. Today we are able to watch me on the internet. If you go 30 years ago, 40 years ago, somebody come an idea that we do this in the internet, people are going to think it's right. So there are things that you might be the number one to bring it in our time and generation. But you're just holding yourself and you won't succeed. You'll be crying, you don't have money, you won't succeed. You got the power of the Creator within you. You got the mission to become the source of the blessings, because the Creator gonna bless the others as well through you, through your work, through your message. You may become an entrepreneur, you employ people the great blessing. You may become a spiritualist, you help people. You may become anything, a doctor, whatever that is in you can help others. Yes, I'm saying you. Stop giving in. Stood up. Apply your ground. You need to identify yourself and be able to say, you are radiating success. You are radiating prosperity. You are radiating healing. You are radiating blessings. You are radiating beauty. You are radiating elevation. You are radiating promotion. Do not look at yourself as a victim. Maybe I don't like people who sit in the victim chair for a long time. You can be a victim when you're ignorant. Once you join the light, you need to jump from that chair. Yes, you need to be empowered enough to not sit in a victim chair. You need to acquire enough information to not sit on the victim chair. The light is shining upon you. Accept to be radiating success today. Accept to be radiating prosperity today. Accept to be radiating elevation, healing, beauty, power. Take conscience of your life. Stop seeking people approval, because the person who's going through the challenge you are going is only you. There is not them. You are facing a serious challenge, but yet you want the approval of people who are doing nothing for you. because you're afraid they're going to judge you? Do you think all of us will never face the judgment of society? Do you have an idea how many people write to me or disrespect me without any cause and call me whatever name they want to call me? I keep on moving. Today you're watching me. If I start getting discouraged when I started, you think today you're going to watch me? Today the life of many people that have impacted positively, they were going to be positive? No, I do my role. I'm a source of blessings of others. I have no jealousy of one. I know that I'm blessed and everyone around me is blessed. I'm not greedy. So do not also be greedy, because understand the world needs you. The world does not need greedy people. The world needs enlightened men and women who are going to change and impact the life of the enlightened one to bring them to the light. So you can still make money, a lot of money, become more successful into your spiritual journey without having to go and pay somebody to bring you miracle money. Follow the principles. Humanity seek me and reward me. That needs to be your motto. You are having problem at work, you are having problem in the community, you are working, you need to change. And every morning when you wake up, you say, humanity, they are looking for me to reward me because I'm a good guy, because I'm doing the good work, because I'm doing the good things, because I'm doing what humanity needs and desire. That is your mission. You need to give us as the world what we need and desire. We need to look for you and reward you for your successful work, for your good work. Are you with me? You need to define yourself as the beloved of the world. I am the beloved of the world. I am the beloved of the world. This world has nothing against you. People in the world might have a problem with you, but the world has no problem with you. And you can still bring those who are having problem with you not to have a problem with you by rising above them, by looking beyond the limit. I'm wanted wherever I go. Wherever you go to people need to admire you. People need to desire you. People need to come to you. People need to benefit from you. You understand? People, they need to benefit from you. People, they need to be able to follow your guidance. People, excuse me. People need to be able to follow your guidance. People need to be able to understand your desires. People, they need to be able to understand your limitations. And when people understand that you become the light, when people understand that you are fulfilling their desires, when people understand that you are understanding their limitations, you have reached your goal. Because there you start enlightening them. I can only help you if I understand that you have done this and you are limited to this. So apply it. Apply it. We are still continuing. Sorry, guys, we are live. Don't call yet. You can still send the messages. I am appreciated. What I have to offer is great desire. The world needs to appreciate you. The world needs to appreciate you. People around you, they need to appreciate you. So it's very important that you program yourself. You look at yourself as a successful person, regardless of you are wearing one cloth every day. When you are waking up in the morning, you must know that you are successful and you can make things happen. You must identify yourself as a winner, not a loser. You mustn't pay attention about what people around you they're gonna do. If you need you to wash a car to raise the money. If it needs you to sell at the corner, start selling and raise the money. If it needs you to work your line, start working and raise the money. You cannot remain dependent on job seeking or dependent on seeking for capital. You can make it happen because the power is within you. I'm just awakening what is within you. Talk to yourself. You will say you will agree with me that I'm correct. You are able to create. You are able to make it happen. Fear is affecting you. Overcome it. Overcome it. Overcome it. I bless your day. I bless your time. Thank you very much for watching. Please share. This is a following of our weekly teaching, which your spiritualist master is busy teaching on money and spirituality. I hope this message get you well. I hope it enlighten your ways. Those who've got questions, you are welcome to send us questions at +27 81 729 3855. +27 81 729 3855. Or you can still email us at ancientspiritualism@gmail.com. Your humble servant, Molopoe. I bless your day. I bless your evening. The divine grace be upon you. Amen.